be my new thing.
The balloon, oh my god. That's pretty cool. That's oh my gosh,
Jaden! Into the sea! Jaden!
I thought you said you weren't scared of that. Phoebe's already down. I'm literally here stuck on these rocks. This is really. Oh! And she's down. I can see you! We found a little cave. Look. Go into the cave! Too big.
No, I probably could get it, I just don't really.
I actually don't want to. Andy! How far out here? He's actually really far out. Okay, he's coming in. Going for the kill. Look how clear the ocean is. I don't like it. I can't see it. It's gonna be a crab. I actually got really scared. I saw a big black thing. I thought it was seaweed. And I thought it was a crab. And I thought it was a jellyfish. Oh, I'm okay now.
I really don't like deep water.
I told you there's like a jellyfish thing in there. Phoebe! I found her! Phoebe, Phoebe! I just saw, I can't breathe. Ah! I just saw your head. Hey there. I'm getting stitched from laughing. I got so scared. Okay, we went to go to the toilet. You saw the toilet?
Oh yeah.
You can't forget about that. This isn't the way to the toilet, but let's go this way anyway. Go on an adventure. Literally, look how footprints. Told you there was sinking sand here.
Listen how far. Yeah, I told you. Do you want to start filming?
Give me clap. The 4th to the 5th. Not the rocks again. Oh my god. Look at my hair. Ooh. Oh. Ow. I wish I could that. That was so funny. Right back at you. Look at the shadows.
Beached whale and James Bond.
Whoa, that's really actually warm.
Yay.
Back on the road. Look at her hair, that's so cute. Going on a trip. Oh, it's really wet. Smile.
Come on, Erin.
Yay! There's Ruby.
Well done, Ruth.
Here comes Ruby.
Oh. Her hair looks so cute. Oh my gosh.
Okay, nearly there.
Whoa! Oh my god.
Hey, what about that? Big round of applause. If you see anybody touch my
You're decorating something.
Decorating a badge.
Very nice. Fail feet in, put your feet.
Woo. Yeah, we had one.
Go. Good girl, well done. Oh, very good.
Oh.
Uh-huh. We've played that before, Aaron. Oh, you haven't? It was so shaped.
Okay. I wish I filmed that. That was so funny. Blew it off. Oh, sea's so nice.
Careful, Aaron.
Oh look, completely casual. Oh. What'd you? Everybody's coming.
That is a massive badge.
You look very cold. Yeah, sure. Myself. Ah, no.
87 in 3 days. Oh dear. Not in our
Ruby, you need to fill in the cracks.
You ready? Okay. Go, 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 go. Go, Phoebe, run! Run! That managed to get my eye even though I'm wearing sunglasses. Phoebe! I'm coming closer. Yeah, that's enough, that's enough. Oh my god, that's so cute! She's like a dolphin!
When I'm sleeping.
Oh, what?
I don't
Yeah.
get it either. Oh.
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 Oh my god, I saw a boy and he did a cartwheel.
Did he?
She's obsessed with people doing cartwheels.
Can you do cartwheels, Aaron? No.
She can do forward rolls.
I can do that flip.
I can't do flip.
I can do that flips on both. Not on the floor, only on both.
Ah.
You can jump into the pool, can't you?
And I can do stuff when I jump in the pool.
Yeah. And then
And I can do
she got. so cute. What does it say? Can you read it? Are you excited?
Yeah, good boy.
My ear.
Your ears?
Yeah.
Erin?
Sit down then.
Is it funny? Ruby?
No, I don't want to do.
No?
So we're sitting on swings, and then
I want to go see Phoebe Bethany.
yeah.
Go, 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 go.
We're gonna go really high,
Ready?
okay?
Phoebe. Phoebe, there's literally boats watching them from like 5 meters away from the fireworks going off.
It's 5 minutes. Can't get a hold of it.
Okay, it's in focus.
You get him.
Oh, that's actually just scary.
One looks like a cat.
Right, turn the lights off now.
One looks like